Cloudy explores. What comes to your mind when you hear the words dinosaur, plant, historical print, and preservation? Permineralization and carbonification is today's topic, which are related to these words. We'll look at the definition, examples, and main differences between them. Carbonification is a complex process where organic matter is transformed into coal over millions of years. These are basically the carbon fields which paleontologists find these days. This happens due to pressure with heat, and a vital thing is the absence of air. If not, it'll just decay. Why carbon, you ask? The answer is pretty simple. Organic matter, like DNA, sugars, fats, proteins, are made out of carbon. Heat and pressure remove the hydrogen, water vapors, and nitrogen out of these components, and carbon is the only one which remains, because it's tougher and stable. So keep in mind that this process doesn't work on all materials, only the thin ones, as plants, fish, even little reptiles, and exceptional shells. You're asking why? Because they're made out of calcium carbonate, which is not an organic substance and it's actually a mineral itself. And it doesn't undergo carbonification. Of course, if they don't have concholine, an organic substance which is extremely rare. That's why they undergo a process called permineralization. It is a complex process as well, where underground water full of minerals is being absorbed into bones and fill pores with those minerals. Yeah, because our bone structure is genuinely a sponge. It absorbs the water and minerals fill up the pores. It also works on wood. Whenever a chunk of wood is buried under sediment or volcanic ashes, the minerals can easily seep in and replace with silica, the wood molecules. So basically you do have a tree but completely made out of quartz crystal. Now we know the main differences between the types of fossils, type of material they work with, the process, and fossil structure. And that's how nature preserves traces of the past, letting us know and learn about life long ago. Goodbye.